Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix email notifications not showing on lock screen. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different steps what we can try to fix this. I'm going to start with the most common step first. So step number one is to enable lock screen notifications. So we need to go ahead and click into settings and then find notifications. Now from here, scroll down under appearance, click onto lock screen. Now we need to make sure we've got show notifications enabled. So if this is what your screen looks like, you're not going to get those email notifications showing. So go ahead and make sure that's enabled. Now we can choose what type of notification style. So you can play around with this. You can have a card setting. So it's going to look like this, or icons at the top, or a dot like this. Now, next step is to go to your email app. So for me, I'm using Gmail. This works for Outlook or any other similar application. So basically, we want to get into the back end of it. So click onto Gmail, click and hold it like so, and then click onto I to get into app information. Now under privacy, click onto notifications. This is currently turned off, so I'm not going to get any notifications. So we want to make sure that's enabled. Now we can see what type of notifications we want to be shown. So I've got lock screen, app icon, and notification pop-up. We've got notification pop-up style or show to hide. So you can play around with this as well. So make sure that is allowed. Another thing we need to check for is make sure do not disturb is turned off. So you can see I've got do not disturb turned on. So if that's on and I don't have that application, Gmail application, added to the allowed list inside of do not disturb, I'm not going to get those notifications. So make sure the easiest way is just make sure do not disturb is turned off. Now the last thing we need to fix here is go to settings. So inside of settings, I'm just going to come back here. We need to find date and time. So scroll down and look for date and time. So it's kind of near the bottom here, general management. Click in the date and time and make sure these two are enabled. So automatic date and time, so use the date and time provided by your network, and also automatic time zone. If they're disabled, your application may not work properly and you won't get those notifications. And also you'll find other apps on your phone probably doesn't work properly as well if you got them disabled.